Hi there, this is David Jones welcoming you to another tutorial video. Today we are on the info site, the billioncoin.info, and this is the first site that you'll come to when you actually register for membership before going on to register then for your Kringle site. So in this video I want to show you how you identify whether a person is an active member, that is, they are not only registered, but they are also verified, that is, they paid their $10 back office fee. So how do you recognize when a person is an active, trusted, verified member? Let's hop to it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. I'm going to log into the site. You'll notice that, okay, well, let me go back. Let me go back here. I want to show you something before I actually log in here. I want to show you something. On the first page here, you'll notice I have a menu up here. It says Home, Members, Formula, Calculators, Testimonials, and Broadcasts. After I log in, however, you're going to notice that more tabs will appear. And that is because these are the generic tabs that are available for anyone who may be browsing and come across the website and just want to learn more information. But for those who are actually active, verified members already, you will actually have access to more tabs. And you'll see those once the login is completed. Let's just wait for that to happen. Okay, so now you notice now that I have Home, Members, Formula, Calculators, Testimonials, Broadcasts, Marketing, Send Button Terms, Trusted Sellers, and References. And these can take you to other aspects of the Billion Coin. So what we are looking at today, I want to show you how to verify whether someone is a trusted seller. So we'll go to the Trusted Sellers tab, and we'll actually, it's a drop-down menu. It has two options here: search trusted sellers and request new wallet. But we don't want to request a new wallet because we are going through migration at this stage anyway. So we just want to search the trusted sellers. So when I click search trusted sellers, it brings me to a page where I can input either a person's wallet address or I can input their email address. And it also advises you over here, only send payments to active, valid, and trusted sellers of TBC coins. And they invite you to read more. Now, it's possible that this read more button may take me to the send button terms, but we're not going there right now. I'll do a separate video on that. Searches may take up to 30 seconds to complete, and the database, you're told, is updated once every 24 hours. So we can see here the terms, and these are terms that you need to know. You need to learn them, because this will also help identify certain issues, should you have them, when you're trying to explain to support the nature of your situation. So you need to know the terms so that you can properly, efficiently notify support when you have issues. So what we have here are active. Active means that the seller's send button is on. Active means that the seller's send button is on. Now, as members of the Billion Coin, registered members, we are all trusted sellers, but some with their send buttons on and some without. By now, the majority of the community should have had their send buttons on, because an option was given to us under that button that I showed you up at the top, send button terms, to get your send buttons on. But if persons are not making themselves available of the information here, they will not know this. Inactive means that the seller's send button is off. So inactive is not a crime. While active is a good place to be in, inactive by default is not a crime. It just means that your send button is not on. Unknown means that the email or wallet address is unknown to TBC. So it's highly unlikely that if a person was unknown that you will see any information show up anyway, because invariably they'll be unknown. And unknown could very well occur if a person registered, say for example, Kringle, but does not activate his or her account. They could be very well deemed unknown. Valid means that we have a record of the seller's email and wallet address. Invalid means we do not have a record of that seller. Again, could point back to activation of accounts. Trusted means we have received the seller's $10 admin fee, and not trusted means the seller has not paid to have access to the send button. So in effect, when you are paying your $10 admin fee, you can pay that from within the Kringle back office, or you can pay it from within the wallet. That $10 fee can be paid in those two places, but we advise persons who are in possession of a Kringle account to pay from within the Kringle back office. Why? If you pay your $10 fee within the Kringle back office, you are getting as a bonus access to the wallet for free for life. If you pay for your wallet through the wallet medium, if you pay for the wallet through the wallet and you pay that $10 while actually in possession of a Kringle account, you still have to pay for that Kringle account. So why pay $10 twice? You pay through the Kringle, you get the wallet free for life. So let me put in my email address in here and see what it brings up for me. Let's see if I am active, trusted, invalid, or what have you. So there I've typed in my email address, thefriendlymarketer@gmail.com. I'll hit search and let's see what happens. So basically, you'll notice that as I scroll down the page here, you'll notice that I have here my wallet address, and my wallet address would have been changed at some point, so that's why you say I have to. And this one at the bottom is the more recent one. And how do I know this? Well, in the last tab here we have RCV. This little asterisk down here means that this wallet here is the most recent of wallets and can receive and send coin. That's what this asterisk signifies. You'll see it has my Facebook link here. For some reason it doesn't have my phone number in there, although I know I have my phone number in, but it has my email. You can see I'm active, I'm valid, I'm trusted. So this is how you know, and they show you the terms here again. So this is how you know when a person is active. And I'm highlighting this in this video because I've had situations where I'm in charge of a Facebook group and persons have to answer 3 questions to be able to be members of that group. And one of the requirements is that in the second question, you're supposed to give me the email address that you registered at the Billion Coin with. Some persons refuse to give it, some question where they should. But for me, I need to know that I'm allowing only registered members into the group. I don't want persons just looking around. I want people who are already in the community and are looking to contribute something to the community. So when you give me your email address, I'll come over to this section where we are here. I'll put your email address in here, hit the search, and it will tell me then what I need to know about you. So that's it for this video. This is a video which shows you how to know when a member is an active, valid, trusted seller or not. So thank you for watching. This has been another video on the series, the Billion Coin TBC Academy. TBC made simple. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The channel that you are going to be accessing these videos through is called Creating Digital Incomes. That's the YouTube channel that these videos are being featured through. So don't forget to subscribe there. Thank you very much for watching. Do have yourselves a great day. Over and out.